live for all of like 5 minutes. I just wanted to show you my sweater. It is on sale. I thought it was 32 bucks, but it's actually on sale for $34.99. Still a really good deal. Thing I love about this sweater, gosh, what is it? It's 24% off today, which is great. But I find it's very rare. Well, actually first, if you're coming here to look for my sweater or my bag or maybe this little light, because I do want to show you guys this light here. It like comes off and it's like a little night light, and then it also sticks to your walls like a sconce. So cute. I'm going to show you this in a second. But if you want to find the light, just hit the little shopping icon down here, and then you can scroll through the items. There's only 3 items in this live. I just threw this together really fast because I wanted to show it to you guys. But anyway, what's really great about this sweater that I find is actually pretty rare is that this sweater is very long. Do you see how long it is? Well, I mean, not very long. It's kind of long, but it's got decent length, but I feel like it looks just as good untucked as it does tucked, which I think is pretty rare for a sweater. It's super cute untucked, and I know a lot of people don't like to do that half tuck. I always do a half tuck with my clothes, but for those of you who prefer not to, it's kind of nice to see how cute this is untucked. So yeah, I'm wearing a size medium, which is my normal size. Hi Andre, hi Joanne, thank you guys for being here. I'm only staying live for just a couple minutes. For anyone joining, if you're not already following me on Amazon, please give me a little follow below this video. But yeah, oh gosh, I don't even have it in this video, but this crossbody bag, I have it in brown and people are always asking me about it. I also have it in black, so that's linked there for those asking. And then finally, last but not least, I just have to show this light because it's the coolest thing ever. I just ordered a second one. You turn it on by tapping the top, so you can see. So cool. A little 3M strip sticks it to your wall. So if you need sconces anywhere in your house and you don't want to pay for like electrical, you can put this up, and then watch, you can pull this off and like use it as a nightlight in your house. I just think that is the coolest thing, and it like charges with like USB in the back. So yeah. Okay, hold on one second. How do I, hold on, I'm trying to, there we go. Okay, let's see. Can you link your blue sweater that you're wearing the other day? Oh, Liz, if you're looking for the blue sweater that are you talking about kind of like the, what color was it? Almost like a seafoam greenish looking color. I did a live about that. If you go to my website, alliemano.com, and in the upper left-hand corner, it says Amazon Lives. If you click on that and go to my last Amazon Live, it's linked there. I hope that that is helpful. Oh my gosh, your first live, yay! You said thanks for doing this on the weekend. If you guys are here from like a little notification you got on the app, let me know. Because I know sometimes that people get those, sometimes you don't. But anyway, I can't stay live very long. We have friends coming over in a little bit. But I got some questions about the sweater. And I think the reason most people were like so excited about this sweater is because of the pretty color. Like so many people were like, oh my gosh, I love like cobalt blue. Where'd you get that sweater? So this is the sweater right here that I got. It's $34.99 on sale. If you look at the reviews, there's over 1,500 reviews. Really positive reviews, so you can look at what the sweater looks like on other people, other body types, other skin colors, other ages, all that jazz. Let's see, I saw the notification and joined. Awesome, I got the notification. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I got the live notice. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. The thing I don't understand about the live notice is that like sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. So I'm glad that you guys are getting it. Thank you, Allie. It looked like a perfect white t-shirt. A white t-shirt, and it was blue? Is that what you're asking? Sorry, Liz, I'm so confused. I'm going back and look. Can you link that blue sweatshirt you were wearing the other day? It looked like the perfect white t-shirt. Let me know what you mean by that, and I will try my best to explain. Okay, yeah, anyway. Let me know if you have any questions about the sweater. Like I said, I'm wearing a size medium, which is my normal size. It fits really great. It's stretchy material, which I really like. It's also got like more of a bell sleeve, so there's lots of room in the sleeves. So yeah. Hey Jamie, hello, welcome. And then for everyone, like this crossbody bag, I have it in brown and I have it in black, and I actually just bought like a white one from a different brand with like this cool brown and white stripe, but it's gonna take a few weeks to get here. This one, if you buy, you'll get like tomorrow. It comes so fast, but So anyway, I love this bag so much, so I have it in a bunch of different colors, and I'm always getting asked about it, even though I link it all the time. People still ask, like every time I do a question box on Instagram, I get asked about this bag like at least 5 times. Perfect White Tea is the brand. Oh, interesting. Okay, then you found it. Great, wonderful. So anyway, linking that bag again. And then lastly, I just think anyone who wants to put a sconce on their wall and doesn't want to have to pay an electrician and buy an expensive sconce, this you can get for 27 bucks. Stick it to the wall with a 3M strip. The top comes off so you can use it as a nightlight, and it turns on by just touching the top up here, which I just think is the coolest thing. I'm standing in front of a window right now, so it's kind of hard to see when I turn it on and off, but you can see right there. And then it just sticks right back on here. How cool is that? Okay, all right, I think I'm gonna go. I just wanted to do this really quick to share my sweater. I always do lives when I share stuff on Amazon. I just think it's more helpful to actually like see the item rather than just a picture or whatever. So I hope that this was helpful to you guys. Molly had a basketball game today, my daughter, and it was so amazing. She scored 2 baskets and I cried and it was amazing. I like wasn't weeping, sobbing. I got some messages from people being like, were you like just sobbing? I'm like, no, like I was just like choking back tears. Like it was just like, so exciting. Okay, anyway, I'm off. Just wanted to share the sweater with you guys. Yeah, I'm wearing a pair of black jeans right now. You can wear it with leggings, regular denim, whatever you like. Yay, go Molly. It says Amazon customer, it doesn't say your name, so I'm sorry I can't address you, but thank you. We're very proud of Molly. So yeah, it's a rainy day here in Nashville today. We're gonna have friends over a little bit, our friends Clea and John and their kiddos. And they're actually bringing over like a bunch of American Girl doll stuff for Molly. She, which I'm so happy about actually, because she's been getting into that lately, and we got her one. Well, it was actually gifted to her one, and I'm like, oh my gosh, these dolls are like so dang expensive. I don't want her to like get into this. So the fact that they're bringing and gifting us all their stuff, I'm like, yay, I don't have to worry about having to get this stuff for her, which I probably wouldn't anyway because we're on a budget, which is why I buy all affordable fashion. But anyway, Samantha, thank you for following me. Thank you guys for being here, for supporting me, my family, all that stuff. And I hope that if you want this sweater, it's available in your size and you can get it, or the color you want. It comes in a bunch of different colors. So if there's another color that you want, definitely, I encourage you to click on it and see the different colors. I think this cobalt blue is really beautiful and would look beautiful on like any skin tone. So hopefully this one still stays in stock and is available for you. But if not, if you want a different color, there's a bunch of other colors too. Hold on real quick. I just want to see something. Hold on. Okay. All right. Well, I'm off. I just wanted to do this really, really fast. Thank you guys for being here. Thanks for joining. Mwah. Have a great Saturday. And